Okay, so remember I talked about the new show called Ghosts of Morgan City. Uh, we've finally got a better en enhanced footage to what we had. Now, instead of it looking like a ghost with no head, now we've got a person walking past the camera, which I'll play the sequence in a minute. That looks like sort of semi-transparent, so you can see like edge of the picture frame here. You can see some bright bits on the reflections on the back of the thing passing through the figure. And you can see it has a hair bun here, and apparently it's meant to be like a nurse from the 1900s. That's what they figured anyway. But I won't spoil it too much. It's quite an interesting footage they've captured on camera here. I think it's probably the best apparition I've seen, because look at the hair. There's no way. I'll just scroll that down maybe. There's no way that's over top of the chair. It's definitely behind as it's walking. So I'll just play the sequence that I've got here. And we need just to focus on this side of it. So the figure's coming into frame here. And you can see this looks like a bottle or something. Well, it looks like a bright edge on the panel of the cupboard behind here. Got picture frames on top of the cupboard or something inside the door there. Now you can see it's not really bright. They didn't brighten it for us. But you can see here that it's got a dress, white dress of some kind. It's definitely transparent. You can just start to see the head coming into frame now. And then the next frame, well, next couple of frames, you can see it stepped further along, and you can see the stuff that was passing through it still in the picture here. Some sort of bottle or something reflecting off on the side here. Bottle on the ground, maybe a vase. Could be a vase with flowers in it. Some sort of cupboards, picture frames. You can see the apparition head, although it's very dark. And then you can see it looks like it's carrying something and reading at the same time, walking along. Apparently there was no one in the house. You can see here it's just cutting behind the chair. On to the next one. And that's almost similar to the first one we looked at, but further along. You can see the head and the arms sticking out here. Definitely looks like a woman figure. It's what people talk about when they see apparitions, right? Pretty amazing. So next one again, that's the last one I got. And you can see she's now passing behind the door. And there's a few more other frames where you see her head passing through the window as it's going past. Now there's been a few ghost shows that have called apparitions, but this is definitely the best one I've seen. Nick Croft did one in the Monk House, which is in UK, and they get a white figure also passing, and looks like it was behind a wall which had windows in it for the hallway. Like it would have a window here, here, and here. That one was quite interesting as well. Plus they had one that was crawling along the floor in the first season, which was quite interesting as well. You could see the thing crawling along the floor as long as you had like a big TV screen and play it on slow motion. But yeah, I managed to enhance it the best I could in the old days, but I probably could do a better job now. So I thought maybe it was a reflection here from this or double reflection somehow back at the camera, but there's no way, because look, it's definitely behind the chair and door, and it's definitely a real apparition of a ghost. Of course, they ran into the house to see who was there, and of course they couldn't find anybody. But because it's transparent, I don't know how you'd fake that. You'd have to have glass. Let's see, you'd have to have glass here all the way through, and somehow reflect a person standing here with light towards the glass, if they're going to fake it. But it's Ben Hansen's show, so he's going to be a trustworthy source. So I thought I'd share that. When you get to watch the show, you might be able to get a better quality.
Whether we catch this mouse out in the morning, and then Ted will have to...
Okay, so they thought it was animals and a mouse. Looks like I'm going to have to turn it up a bit here.
Believe me, there is something running above. I'm off to bed, it's very late, so we'll see whether we catch this mouse out in the morning.
Okay,
and
so
then Ted will have to
mostly.
believe me that there is something running above our bedroom. I'll see you all in the morning. Good night.
There you can see it's one of these old solid ancient doors with the lift up lever type. And you can see here she actually latched it, and it's got a sensor light here, obviously goes off after a certain amount of time.
Now you heard me put the latch on the door there.
Yes.
Okay, so it looks like the insert here is on the right ear of the headset here, and this one's on the left. That's how they've done it, and it might be too loud now. Let me just turn it down a bit.
Sounded like it, yeah.
Okay, so the sensor light's gone out.
Right.
So I'm going to forward this bit because it's about 2 hours, well, it is 2 hours, 27 minutes.
So it's obviously the camera hasn't switched to infrared, so I'm not too sure what kind of camera they're using here. So you might have it on night vision mode, or starlight mode, I mean, colour mode.
Minutes into filming last night. Now we went to bed about midnight.
Now I guess you might have it on, must have it on colour night vision mode, because they've got a sensor light set up to illuminate when it detects movements, hoping to catch the mice.
Midnight.
Yeah.
So this would be about 2:30. This happens.
Everything always happens around that 2:30 to 5 AM in the morning. Mostly at 3. So the door's opening up there at 2:30. Unfortunately, she hasn't got a second camera. When you do this sort of stuff, you always have a second camera so you can see both cameras and the same doorway. Or even 3 cameras, and then you could really prove that there's no one there with fishing line, right? But what's interesting though, just keep on watching, the sensor light gets triggered. Now this happened in my hallway, remember?
Now you heard the
It happened in my hallway, the sensor lights come on. I had 2 cameras set up, and you could see the light come on the 2 cameras. One was set in colour mode only, so it would only see natural light, and the other one was set up on infrared in the hallway. And the camera started playing up with a load of static and noise on it, which is kind of strange, but you know, paranormal have a way of messing around with cameras somehow.
latch go off the door.
Yeah.
And that's the light.
Okay, so now it's detected something stepping in near the door. We can't see anything there. And he's thinking it's like an animal on the ground. But what if you carefully watch, you'll see a shadow of what looks like a human figure walking this way.
Light coming on.
The motion sensor light.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't think the shadow's popped up yet. We might have to do a frame by frame, but we'll go back over it.
Bloody hell, what? There's shadow
Yeah.
there.
Yeah,
Yes, I can see a shadow.
You can see a shadow. The quality of the video might be better than what we got here, but I think the shadow's here at the moment, well there.
Shadow moving.
Let's just zoom out a bit again. Something screwed up there. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing shadow. Just trying to work out the height of it. Looks like it could be not very tall. Could be a kid size. I'll have to try some other filters.
There.
yeah,
Yes, I can.
There you go, look. I'll go backwards again. Doesn't seem to go backwards very good. There we go, look. So look, it's maybe bent over.
Now you heard the latch go off the door.
Now, unfortunately, they're talking over some of the noises I'm hearing in the background.
There's,
Yeah.
and that's the light coming on.
The motion sensor light.
You can hear a shoveling of feet on the concrete, on the floor, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Bloody
Look at
hell, what? There's shadow there.
Yeah,
Yes, I can see a shadow.
And it looks like it went from there and started going towards this direction.
Shadow moving across it.
Yeah. Keep watching.